cicadas are very fascinating animals. The adults have hollow bodies so that they can amplify their sound and call other cicadas from great distances. They have multiple calls that signal different things that are going on. For example, they have a mating call and they also have a warning call. And this is a really large cicada from a tropical environment, and you can see the hollow body right here. The cicadas go through incomplete metamorphosis. That means they go from the nymph stage directly to the adult stage. They don't have a chrysalis or pupa like butterflies do. And cicadas live as the nymph stage underground for several years. Depending on the species, they'll live for several years, maybe up to 6 years underground. And then all of a sudden they all hatch out. The nymphs don't have wings. They crawl up, they shed their skin, and the adult comes out the back with the wings, and then there's a great explosion of the population of cicadas, and they can make a loud din, a very loud sound, because they're all calling to each other, and they have to mate before they have to mate. The females lay the eggs in the trees, and then they all just drop to the ground and die. And then the little nymphs hatch out the eggs. They go down to the ground and burrow underground and live there for years until they have their next music festival.
Here's a cicada. They're very noisy. Let's see if we'll make a noise. Renee, show us. What do you see? There's the skin. There's the skin. Is there another one? There's another one.